We're in a snowstorm today, like you saw. I managed to put my tent up and my sleeping bag. Pretty cold. First, I will try to eat something. Don't know if you can hear me clearly. I always like to have my lunch with me. I think with the conditions now, I think I will sleep through the night. And see you guys in the morning. Good night. And that's how you go camping in your room. So as you can see, I brought my backpack here for nothing actually, want to go in my room. So, but it's very stormy in my room nowadays. That's why it's so windy. But at least it's warm. So I won't be needing this one anymore. But I think I will be finished eating this one because I like them really. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bon appétit! That's all you got in your tent.